Hi, this is a trade breakdown. I just took this trade. I don't remember yesterday. Yeah, I think I took it yesterday, and here it is. I'm on the H1 time frame. I don't know what. Yeah, I'm on the H1 time frame. So here's what happened. I marked out because I marked out these areas here. But last week price closed at this level, very bearish. So when it opened yesterday, today is Tuesday. When it opened yesterday, it opened up here. So um I thought maybe price is now completely reversing, because in the high time frame, like on the H4, I'll show you shortly. um on the H4 the price is bullish. So what happened is, I thought price is not gonna come here and retest. So I thought price is finally going up now, going for these highs. And then what happened is, I waited. This was a good setup though. I waited for a break. It made a new high here, and then a low here, and then it broke out of these resistant level, and then came back, wait for a retest, and then everything was set up perfectly. This is the A plus setup. I got multiple bearish candle, and then I got a rejection here, and then on the first bullish candle I took my entry. And this is an A plus setup, but there's a certain aspect that I didn't consider. So, and then obviously price, my position went to a profit, and then I got stopped out here. So ignored what I ignored, because this is a 1:3, almost 4 risk reward. So what I ignored is that price hasn't yet touched this level to confirm that it's continuing, hasn't touched and give confirmations or rejection here. I completely forgot about that. And then what I had in mind is that we are currently in a bullish movement, and this gap up indicated a continuation to the upside. So what I did, I completely forgotten that we are currently bearish, correcting this level. So I forgot about that, and then only thing that I had in mind is that price is now finally pushing up. And then I took the entry. Like, I didn't force this trade, but I overlooked this area, and then I took the trade. But this was a perfect setup for me on how I trade. I overlooked this, but I took the trade here, put my TP at the top, and then my stop below the swing low of the current trend or rejection, and then I got stopped out. Now I can say that next time, what I will be considering, I will check both sides of the market, on a bearish side and the bullish side, because currently the market, I forgot, like I didn't forget, but I overlooked that currently the market is currently on bearish trend. So I completely forgot about that, and then I had everything, because I got my setup, like everything. I thought it was perfect. Little did I know that I should have considered this level, but that's a mistake that I did today, and that's why I'm making this video, so that next time I can look back and know which mistakes I did before, so that I can avoid them in the future. That's why I'm doing this video. So now, I because I overlooked this level here, what happened is price came here and rejected, gave rejection here. I don't know whether you can see, price rejected here this level, and they gave it gave the bearish candle. confirming that it's continuing its downward movement. So now I didn't take this trade because um obviously I was still in a trade here and I overlooked this level. I was still in a trade. I hasn't been stopped out yet, so price came back and then take me out here. But if I had considered this level, maybe I wouldn't have taken the trade here. Maybe possibly considered selling instead of buying. So this trade I didn't take, but if I would have taken it, like, it would have been so perfect. Because this, if I would have entered here and put my stop above here, let me show you, like a 1 to 3, usually I take 1 to 3, risk reward would have been so easily met. So let me show you here. My stop go right above this level, and then I'll target 1 to 3, yeah, like so. So as you can see, this would have been a very good trade. But yeah, a mistake is a mistake, but I'll just keeping on learning. And well, what I think I need to improve on is that I should journal more so that I cannot repeat my past mistakes. Like this one, I'm planning on not repeating it. That's why I'm recording. So yeah, that's it. But now I was considering, because here there's another level here. This level is getting retested, so I was considering taking a short trade here, targeting the same 1 to 3. But I'll see, because it seems like there's still some wait, yeah, it seems like there's still some bullish momentum, but I'll see how this candle looks like. And then on the H4, here's what happened. You see, on the H4, let me show you, this is the level. This is the level I was anticipating it to be tested. But then this gap up that happened here is the one that shook me off, and then I got, like, I thought maybe like now it's going up, and then I think I had a little bit of FOMO, so I wanted to take a trade before it's too late. So yeah, that's what happened, for completely forgetting that we are still in a bearish trend. So I'm still considering selling opportunities, not buying, because buying would be completely against the trend. So yeah, that's it. This is USDJPY. Took the trade. I'll put a screenshot of my MC5 here, and then that's it. See you next time.